Good morning, one and all. This is K. Raghavendra, TGT in Social Studies at TTWRS, Bals Kandakur. In the last video, we have learned about big fishing business in Bhavanapadu village. Today, we are going to discuss about lifestyle of the small fisher folk in Bhavanapadu village. Look at this picture, students. This is country boat which is made up of wood. In Telugu, it is called as Karra Teppa. In Bhavanapadu village, small fisher folk are using this boat for fishing in sea or ocean. By this country boat, they go up to 5 kilometers into sea for fishing, but they got the small quantity of fish. This small quantity of fish taken by the wives of the fishermen, and they sell this fish in nearby towns like Naupada, Tekkali, Pundi and Palasa. When compared to Karra Teppa, there is a huge risk of life in mission boats because it goes far into sea and it is difficult to swim over to the seashore. Moreover, there is no first aid kit available in big boats and there is no life jackets in big boats. Similarly, by Karra Teppa, the fishermen go to only up to 5 kilometers in the sea, so they can come to the seashore by the swimming. However, in oceans, fishing is a dangerous and brave occupation. The fishermen use the different types of nets for the fishing in oceans, and they use the different type of techniques for the fishing. Because of these techniques, they got the maximum quantity of fishing. Generally, fishermen return from sea between the 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. After that, they had lunch and reached to the cyclone shelter. This is the cyclone shelter. This cyclone shelter used as broken net repair centers in Bhavanapadu. While fishing in the oceans or seas, some nets are damaged like this. In the evening time, the fishermen repair the nets with the help of the tool kit. In this tool kit, they have net repairing fork. This is the different size of the net repairing forks in Telugu, which is called as Nolu Karralu. Second one, thread. In Telugu, Nula Kandalu. This is the thread, different colors of threads. And third one, flattened stick. This flattened stick determines the net ring size. Here, different types of the nets. The nets classified based on the size of the rings are in Telugu kannulu and layers of the net. With the help of these different type of nets, the fishermen catch the maximum quantity of fish. If they get more fish in the seas, it helps to prevent the migration of the fishermen families from the villages to town. Earlier, the nets were made up of cotton threads, so these nets were easily damaged. These cotton nets replaced by the plastic nets. We are using the different type of the plastic threads for the nets like nylon, other synthetic fibers. The plastic nets has the 4 to 5 years lifetime. These plastic nets purchased by weight and the type of rings they have. Nets cost around the 250 to 300 rupees per kg. Ring net weights around the 500 kgs. Students, can you guess the cost of a net? Look at here, student. The net cost minimum per kg 250 rupees, but around every net around is 5 kgs. 250 multiple with 500 kgs. 250 rupees multiple with the 500 kgs is equal to 50,000 rupees. Okay, children, if a fisherman want to buy a net, he must pay the minimum rupees 50,000. The fishermen of the Srikakulam district go to Bharampur to buy the nets. The Bharampur, which is in the Orissa state. Thank you, students. Thank you, one and all.